Hello, this is Domenico with EZ NOMICS, and this is an overview guide to the channel. It's a free online resource for IB/DP economics students, advanced placement students, Cambridge International AS and A-level econ students, as well as university students taking their intro to micro and macro courses. On the channel, you'll find over 250 video tutorials on how to draw, analyze, and evaluate all IB econ models. There are dedicated playlists, applied real-world examples, and outlines for every video to the analysis and evaluation of those models. For example, on a recently uploaded model on per unit subsidies, if you click on the Show More button below, you'll see a full outline to the analysis. If it's an economic policy, you'll see the evaluation of that economic policy. Again, we have dedicated playlists to each section and unit of IB economics. Playlists for real-world examples, playlists for quantitative math practice. We also have playlists on economic board games, such as Age of Comics, Power Vacuum, Peak Oil Profiteer, Hegemony, and Pipeline. And if you'd like to support the channel, we have merchandise, t-shirts, hoodies, sweaters on T-Mill and Spring. You can also support the channel by buying me a coffee or making a donation through PayPal. Thank you so much, and I look forward to supporting your learning.